TV mounts and cable management. Okay, usually in your house, we want a good looking TV without you able to see all the wires outside, all right? So here I have a very professional cable management system. I'm going to show you how did I do it, all right? So come over here. Let me just remove this, okay? It's easy to be removed. You just pull this up like that and then pull it out. Right, I'm going to place it down here. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the cable management that I did. It's a wood cabinet. It's like drywall, right? I just made a hole through the drywall like this. Then I pushed all the cables, right? I have 3 cables right here. One is the HDMI cable, the LAN cable where the internet is connected, and also the TV power cable. Only 3 cables. I push it through this hole right here, which I made through this drywall, and then down here I have all the cable management systems, the plugs and everything else inside here. So this is the perfect cable management system for your TV that you could do also. Alright, so see you guys later.